Hello guys, welcome to our channel. It's Chico, Arlene, and
Jana!
and today we have lumpiang sariwa, sauce, fish ball, kwek-kwek, and lumpiang prito. This is the sauce. This is coffee jelly and garlic. Hello po mga subscribers. 200 subscribers na po tayo. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
200 subscribers, guys.
That's fine.
Road to 1,000, guys, right? Come on, let's eat. Okay, first let's try this fish ball. This.
Wow, mukbang.
Guys, sobrang sarap niya. You know, what are you gonna say about this food? Is it yummy? Is it good? Oh, the sauce? The sauce is yummy. The sauce, these two taste the same. Because it's yummy. We have to try this vinegar. Yeah. I tried it. I tried it and it's good and spicy and vinegary. Hey guys. Yeah. Said Gianna, let's try this. Let's try this. First, we're going to try the vinegar as well. The vinegar. Ang vegetable ay maganda sa katawan. Kaya, lagi tayong kumain ng vegetable. Okay guys, let's try fresh lumpia. Then let's try this egg wrapper ito. Healthy ito. Okay guys, masarap siya at healthy. Ikaw lang, ano sasabi mo? But it's good.
Sarap. Yummy.
So let's try the coffee jelly and the caramel. Yes! My favorite part! Ito na guys, salted caramel at coffee jelly. Inumin na. Yan ang first taste. Coffee and jelly. It's yummy. This is coffee and jelly, I think. Yeah, this is coffee jelly. It's good, and this is good. Try it. It's good. Shoutout sa lahat ng subscribers at sa Rapote's Recipe. Thank you po, Rapote's Recipe. That's it guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Again, I'm Gigon, Erling, and
Jana!